Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel DY Agri Corner. Today in this video I will discuss with you most important 20 MCQ based on agriculture institutions in India. Already I have uploaded tricks to remember agriculture institution in India. Do watch that video also. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, do subscribe so that you will get all notification related to and videos related to agri exams. Okay, without wasting your time, I will start my video. Okay. Here the first MCQ is consultative group for international agriculture research located at. Here the options are Italy, USA, Mexico, Indonesia. Here the correct answer is USA. Okay guys. Next, International Center for Research in Agroforestry. It is located at, options are India, USA, Sri Lanka, Indonesia. Here the correct answer is Indonesia. Next is International Food Policy Research Institute located. Okay guys, the options are Italy, USA, France, Indonesia. Here the correct answer is USA. International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology. The options are Italy, Philippines, Sri Lanka, India. Here International Center, do remember International Center for Genetic Engineering means here the answer is Italy. Okay, National Center for Genetic Engineering, that will be India. Okay, so don't get confused, here the answer is Italy. Okay. Next is All India Coordinated Research Project on Wheat and Barley Improvement Project located at. Here the options are Kanpur, Karnal, Jodhpur, Junagadh. Here the correct answer is Karnal. Okay guys. Next is Project Directorate on Foot and Mouth Disease. Okay, here the options are Hyderabad, Mukteswar, Bangalore, New Delhi. Here the correct answer is Mukteswar. Next is Central Institute on Post Harvest Engineering and Technology. Here the options are Ludhiana, Bhopal, Bangalore, Chennai. For Post Harvest Engineering and Technology, okay, here the correct answer is Ludhiana. Okay guys. Next is Sugarcane Breeding Research Institute. Okay guys, this one where it is located. Okay, here the correct answer is Coimbatore. Next is Central Marine Fish Research Institute. Here the options are Chennai, Kochi, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Here the correct answer is Kochi. Next is National Center for Integrated Pest Management. Here the options are Chennai, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Delhi. Here the correct answer is Delhi, that is New Delhi. Okay guys. Next is Central Institute for Fisheries Technology. Where it is located? The options are Chennai, Cochin, Hyderabad, Barakpur. Here the correct answer is Cochin. Next is National Institute for Animal Nutrition and Physiology. Here the options are Chennai, Cochin, Bangalore, Bhopal. Here the correct answer is what? Bangalore. Okay guys. Next is National Plantation Crops Research Institute. Correct. Here the options are Kasaragod, Cochin, Calicut, Trivandrum. Okay. Here the correct answer is what guys? Answer is Kasaragod. Okay guys. Just before attempting this type of MCQs, you do practice yourself properly. You do read, remember yourself. Okay. For that you need to watch my videos continuously. For that you need to subscribe my channel. Okay guys. Don't forget to subscribe. That's why I am repeatedly saying don't forget to subscribe. You will get good MCQs so that you will have a good practice before your exams. Okay. Next is Central Research Institute on Dryland Agriculture. Okay, here the options are Jodhpur, Hyderabad, Rajmundry, Malegaon. Okay, here for dryland, what? The answer is Hyderabad. Okay guys. Next is National Academy of Agriculture Research and Management. This is called NARM. Okay. Okay, very important. The options are Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai. Where it is located? Chennai? No. Here the answer is Hyderabad. Okay guys. Central Institute for Face Water Aquaculture. Here the options are Chennai, Cochin, Bhubaneswar, Mumbai. Here the correct answer is Bhubaneswar. Okay, fresh water, so Bhubaneswar. There are lot of institutions that related to fisheries. Okay, fisheries. Already I have discussed how to remember in my previous videos. So do remember those institutions. Also I have provided you tricks. Okay guys, so don't forget to watch all my videos. Okay. Next is Indian Institute of Soil Science. Here the options are Mumbai, Delhi, Jodhpur, Bhopal. Where it is located? Indian Institute of Soil Science. Here the answer is Bhopal. Okay. Next is Directorate of Information and Publication in Agriculture. This is also very important guys. Here the options are Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Cuttack. Okay. Here you can see the options. The answer is what? New Delhi. Okay guys. Next is All India Coordinated Project on Chickpea. Okay guys. Here the options are New Delhi, Varanasi, Kanpur, Indore. Where it is located? It is Kanpur. Okay. Next is All India Coordinated Project on Linseed. Okay guys. The options are Jabalpur, Kanpur, Jodhpur, Bharatpur. Where it is located? That is linseed. The answer is Kanpur. Next is Indian Institute of Pulse Research. Okay. The options are Bharatpur, Jabalpur, Jodhpur, Kanpur. Here Pulse Research. You need to remember Indian Institute, project directorates, All India Coordinated Projects, all those things you need to remember. For that you don't need to worry. I will provide you everything in a MCQ based. Along with that I will provide you detail regarding that. Okay. So just you go through my MCQs, you will have a good idea. Okay guys. Here the answer is Kanpur. Next is Central Soil Salinity Research Institute. Options are Bhopal, Dehradun, Karnal, Hyderabad. Here the correct answer is Karnal. Okay guys. Option C. This is my last MCQ. Okay. So in this way I have discussed with you important MCQ based on agriculture institutions in India. In my next videos also I will describe and bring upon various type of MCQ that are very important for the agriculture exam point of view, so that you will have a very good revision. Along with you can have a quick revision of all the content. Okay guys, so that you will not face any difficulties in the exam. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay guys. So don't forget to what to do? Subscribe my channel. Then you all knows like and share. So please press the bell icon. Okay guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Have a great day.